Welcome to the ConMet Service Video Series. My name is Jason Galbraith, National Service Manager for ConMet. Today, our service video is about end play measurement for drive, steer, and trailer applications. Today, we are diving into the pivotal task of checking bearing end play for steer, drive, and trailer applications. Proper end play measurement and setting is not just a maintenance procedure. It is fundamental to the performance and reliability of your vehicle. Improper end play can lead to seal leaks, premature bearing failure, and even damage to the spindle. Note, end play measurement is a required verification for manual adjust hubs only and not for ConMet's preset or preset plus hubs. Field measurement of bearing end play is not necessary on preset and preset plus hubs. The bearing end play is controlled at the factory by the precision components and assembly processes. There is no need to measure end play on new wheel ends or wheel ends serviced using ConMet components. If you do measure end play, keep in mind that it can be difficult to do so accurately when the wheel end is installed on a vehicle. Preparing the hub assembly. Before we begin, it is essential to properly prepare your workspace and the hub assembly. Start by ensuring the vehicle is securely raised and well supported on stable jack stands. Safety gloves are recommended when appropriate in order to protect your hands from injury, including from metal slivers or burrs. Be sure to follow all of the safety procedures and equipment requirements of your organization. If you're working with drum brakes, remove the wheels and the drum to expose the hub assembly. This will give you clear access to all hub components and reduce the weight of the wheel end system. For those working with disc brakes, you will need to adjust the caliper to ensure the rotor and brake pads have plenty of clearance. If more clearance is needed, the brake pads can be removed. Cleaning for accuracy. Before measuring end play, it is vital to ensure that the surface where the dial indicator will be placed is clean and free of any obstructions. Proper cleaning of the wheel flange or the hubcap flange is not only necessary for an accurate measurement, but also to prevent damage to the dial indicator. To achieve the required cleanliness, choose the correct abrasive. Select a fine grit or non-abrasive pad for cleaning the material of the flange. It is important to remove debris without scratching the surface. Gently scrub the flange's surface with the scouring pad or steel wool. Use a circular motion to evenly clean the area without focusing too much pressure on any one spot to avoid creating low spots or grooves. Wipe the surface with a clean lint-free cloth. Optionally, you can use compressed air to blow away any dust or particles that may have been left behind after the initial cleaning. Ready for measurement. With a clean and smooth flange, you can now proceed to set your dial indicator in place. Once mounted, the tip of the dial indicator should move freely without any snags or jumps, ensuring the accuracy of your end play measurements. Begin by selecting the right magnetic base that ensures stability and precision for your setup. Position the magnetic base securely on a flat, non-rotating surface close to the wheel flange. In most cases, the end of the spindle is the ideal location. With the magnetic base in place, it is time to adjust the dial indicator. The tip must be in unobstructed contact with the clean flange surface. For accurate readings, the indicator tip must be perpendicular to the flange surface. Seating the bearings. Now begin the process of seating the bearings. Place both hands on the hub flange. Apply an even and gentle pressure against the hub as you slightly oscillate the hub back and forth. Proper seating of the bearings is critical to ensuring an accurate end play measurement. With the bearings seated, you are ready to move forward in the end play reading process. Adjust the dial indicator to 0. Measuring end play. Start by firmly grasping the back of the hub flange with both hands. Gently pull the hub flange outward while simultaneously rotating it slightly. This action ensures an even and accurate reading of the end play. Keep your eyes on the dial indicator. As you pull on the flange, the needle moves, providing a clear measurement of the end play. Measure the end play by calculating the difference between the minimum and maximum dial indicator readings. As a reminder, it can be difficult to accurately measure end play when the wheel end is installed on the vehicle. Acceptable end play. For conventional or manual adjust hubs, TMC RP618 states an acceptable end play range of 1/1000th to 5/1000ths of an inch. If resulting end play is outside of this range, adjust the bearing setting according to the spindle nut manufacturer's recommendations. Preset and Preset Plus wheel ends are designed to operate between -1/1000th and +6/1000ths of an inch end play, so a measurement of zero end play is not necessarily an indication of an issue. Accurate measurement of bearing end play is crucial for the safety and longevity of vehicle wheel ends. ConMet's Preset and Preset Plus hubs are engineered with this in mind and are pre-adjusted to eliminate the need for manual measurement for new hub installations. This innovation ensures the correct end play is established right from the start, simplifying the installation and maintenance processes. These ready-to-mount hub assemblies are available in most heavy-duty parts departments, offering a fresh warranty while minimizing downtime. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can watch more service videos like this. See you next time.